What's going on, Pyros? We're back with Boy Oh Boy Blue from Shogun Fireworks. 16 shot, 200 gram cake. I'm trying to look for a performance real quick. Here we go. It's nice for parties with blue color theme. This boyish cake is loaded with white strobe mines rising up to blue and white strobe aerial bombards. There is your shots. Your duration should be around 16 seconds. Your volume around a 75. There you go. A little paper inside. But there you have it. Boy Oh Boy Blue. All for your gender reveal style. Shogun Fireworks. Thumbs up, thumbs down. It's your boy Rob. We'll see you in a few seconds to check this out.